In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Lovable.dev platform for a specific project. Whether you're a developer looking to streamline your design process or a creative enthusiast eager to bring your ideas to life, this guide will walk you through every essential step to make the most out of Lovable.dev. First, we start by heading over to the Lovable.dev website. Open up your browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. As you land on the platform, you will notice an intuitive layout that welcomes you to explore its extensive features. For those new to Lovable, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to enhance your user experience, offering you a seamless journey. Once you're comfortable, your next task is typing in a keyword of interest. Specifically, type in highlight. This search will direct you to the functionalities and tools available related to your query. You will find useful suggestions and features that can be highlighted to match your project needs. Moving on, you will need to click on the option that prompts you to make me an image for walking dog. By selecting this, you are activating a process that involves Lovable's AI-powered tools to generate a creative image based on the parameters provided. It's a brilliant feature for those who lack design expertise but wish to have professional quality images. Following the image generation, click on the Lovable button, which further takes you into a suite of additional settings and options. From here, click on the thinking feature. This action involves Lovable processing your request, allowing the platform to gather necessary resources for your specified project. As the processing continues, you will notice a prompt labeled Spinning Up Preview. This stage offers a glimpse into what your project will look like once fully rendered. You can choose to click on Highlight to focus on specific elements within the preview. Continue by selecting I'll create a beautiful image of someone walking a dog for you, which refines the image with sophisticated edits and effects tailored to your specifications. Watch as the platform generates image, shaping it to reflect a scene depicting a serene walk through a park. Subsequently, to refine and enhance your project further, you can click on Connect Supabase for backend and even collaborate at source via GitHub. These steps are crucial for those working on larger projects requiring robust backend integration and collaborative inputs. When you're ready to see your project come to life, click Deploy when you're ready. This option finalizes and launches your work, potentially opening it to public access or further stakeholder review. As part of the final refinement process, leverage features such as select specific elements to modify, upload images as a reference, and instantly preview your changes. These allow you to tweak and perfect your project continually. By the end of this guide, you should feel empowered and confident in using Lovable.dev effectively. Continue exploring, creating, and pushing the boundaries of your projects with this dynamic platform at your fingertips. Happy designing!